Okay, bees, so we are going to make a snowman hand puppet using paper that we are going to fold. So, first you're going to need paper, preferably white, but if you don't have white, it is fine. You can make your snowman whatever color you want to. Marker or a writing utensil, pencil, and crayons. I use oil pastels. I have a scissor if I need one. I have some extra paper maybe I want to use for the nose. It is up to you. The main important part is the paper. Okay, so you have to follow exactly in order to make this work. So here's your paper, and you're going to, let's learn about hot dog and hamburger first. So hot dog is the long way, hamburger is the short way. Okay, so you are going to hold your paper, hamburger, and you are going to fold it in thirds. Okay, so what? I'm going to fold it one side. As you can see, I didn't fold it all the way, just in thirds, okay? And then you're going to fold the top half. Make it as straight as you can. Okay? Ta-da! Okay, let's try that one more time. Pretend I had my paper was flat. I folded one side, and then I took the next side and folded it down. Okay, so when you're done, you should have a little flap. You see that flap? You should be able to see it. Yours might be close to the line, like this, but that's okay, as long as you have a flap. Okay, so you are going to make sure that your flap is facing down on the table. Oh, no more flap, it has disappeared, okay? Your flap is facing down on the table. You are going to now fold, excuse Nala in the background, you're going to fold your paper in half. Maybe I should have not done this on a white surface. Okay, so you're going to fold your paper in half. So now you have this lovely looking paper, and it looks like a V. Looks like the letter V. Right, Nala? Okay, so you're going to take this V and you are going to turn this V into an M. But before we do that, make sure that you can see your flap now. Right? If you can't see your flap, then you did it wrong. So let's try that step again. Put it flat on the table. You cannot see your flap because your flap is on this side. And then fold it in half all the way. Nice and neat. Nice and neat. See how sharp my edges are? And look, I can see my flap again. If you can see your flap again, you did it right. If you can't, just pause the video, rewind, and start again. Okay? So from here, we have our V, like I showed you before. We're going to turn our V into an M. How do we turn our V into an M, you ask? Okay, all you're going to do is take 1/2 of the V and bend it down. Okay. But we still don't have an M. Do you see an M? No. So what do you think we're going to do? Yes, we're going to take the other side and fold it down as well. If you are a little one, a little bee, you might have to have your parents help you with the folding, okay? Okay. So, do you have a letter M? If you do, you did it right. If it's not an M, maybe it's a W. That's right too. Okay? Cool. Now, you're pretty much done. How am I done? You ask. Well, look, over here you have pockets for your fingers. So you have a top pocket and you have a bottom pocket. And all you need to do is put your hands in the pocket. And you have a puppet. I should probably just put it in this hand. That works better. There you go. And there you go. Now you have a talking puppet all ready for you to decorate. Okay? So let's try that one more time. A little faster. So here's our piece of paper. Sorry, this one's a little wrinkled. We need to hold it hamburger way. You're going to fold it in thirds. One. Come. Come. And the next side. 2. Ta-da! Right? Make sure you can see that flap. Now we're going to make that flap disappear. We don't see the flap anymore. Good. Fold your paper in half from one corner to the next. Try to make sure it's nice and sharp. Good. Look, the flap returned. Magic. Okay. You have a V now, right? Turn that V into an M. And we do that by folding one side. Remember, all the way down. And then the next side. Remember, at any time you can pause the video if I'm going too quickly for you. Ta-da! So your V turned into an M or a W. Find your pockets. Your pockets. There's one pocket. And there's another pocket. And that's where your lovely fingers go. And there you have the base for your puppet. Cool. Okay. Now, next, you should grab a pencil. I'm going to grab my marker because that's what I had. And while your fingers are in your puppet, I want you to mark off where you're going to put your eyes. Because sometimes our eyes get put in the wrong position and then our puppet doesn't work so well. Okay? So you see where my fingers are? My eyes are going to go right below my fingers. So I'm just going to put a little dot. Boop, boop, so that I know that that's where my mouth is going to, where my eyes are going to go. Not my mouth, my eyes. Okay? And you also have an inside. What can go inside? Maybe a tongue? Teeth? It's up to you. Okay? So I'm going to draw my eyes and my snowman is going to have coal eyes. Okay, so there's my snowman's eyes. And maybe I'm going to draw the top of his mouth. I'm going to make a coal mouth too. Okay. What is my snowman missing, you ask? A nose, of course. Now, if you have an orange crayon, you could just draw your nose on. So let's see. I'm going to draw my nose. Whoop. Color it in real quick. Okay. Ta-da! Instant nose. Now, if you want to be fancy and use some extra paper, you can. So, I didn't have any glue at the moment. So, I found this sticky paper that I had, and I'm just going to draw a carrot, cut out, not draw, a carrot nose. Ta-da! Pretend I don't have this one on there. And I would have just stuck it right on, right? You can use paper to make a hat. Maybe your Sneezy the Snowman has a hat. Remember, the kids gave him all their hats and coats and gloves and scarves. I'm pretty sure they were probably cold by the end of that book. Okay. And I'm going to put mine on. And I have a Sneezy the Snowman puppet. Now, like I said, you can add teeth, you can add a tongue, you can add whatever you want to your Sneezy the Snowman puppet. Let me do another quick one using this nose on this one. Maybe this one looks a little different. Maybe this Sneezy has eyelashes. Kind of looks like a bird. Alright, and there's a different version of Sneezy. Okay, so have fun, bees, making your Sneezy the Snowman paper hand puppets. And I will talk to you later. Bye, bees.